Mirzo Rahmatov Said Ahmad has been a wood carver for over 30 years, and the people benefit from his products. The craftsman is engaged in carving wooden doors and windows. The craftsman has extensive experience in his profession, and his creations are very popular among the people. The craftsman makes his products from local willows trees and presents them to the people with great skills. Also has been engaged in carving for many years. This craftsman prepares his products from local willow trees and presents them to the public with great skills. His handicrafts have been exhibited at regional and national exhibitions, and this craft has been highly appreciated many times. Today, he teaches his students the art of carving in order to prevent the extension of this profession inherited from his ancestors.